this is what it's like, folks. When you go on tour with old people, we have to keep stopping so they can change their nappies, empty the catheter bags. It's great. Look at the weather, people. Now today they forecast was going to be one of the worst days, with high winds and torrential rain. But as you can see, yeah, the BBC said it was going to be the worst day of the week. Lying bastards. And there he is, Joe Kime, in his natural habitat. Steve the orangutan. We have had such a cracking day today riding. Oh, see what you mean now. It's like crazy paving, isn't it? Right, I remembered to turn it on this time. Whatever fucking gave you that idea? Right, we got to go back up and do those hairpins again because my rear facing camera wasn't on.
Okay.
They were lovely, weren't they?
They were, yeah.
I'm half tempted to open my air vents on the jacket.
Yeah, I took me liner
Fucking
out.
hot.
All my vents are open.
I'm fucking hot. Mind you, they said 23 degrees, didn't they?
Yeah, they...
Are we fit?
Fit for...
Already?
Fit for fuck all. Joe's still messing.
Fucking hell. It's like my missus when you just go past the junction. Oh, you want to go that way?
Is that a red squirrel sign I can see up ahead? He's still faffing about with cables.
Well, we're doing about 4 miles an hour, so you know, 16. Fucking hell, flying.
You got no power? You watch the bloody weather turn now, we're all messed up.
I don't think there's any feeling as good, well, maybe having a shit, but gliding a bike round a nice curve.
Yeah, why would you want to be doing anything else?
Well, maybe having a shit.
Or a shag.
I like having a shit. No, I like having a shit.
I was just thinking to myself, the amount of birds dead on the road, I reckon they must have had a Pan Owners Club meeting up here. It's gorgeous, isn't it? I think Joe's got trouble with his camera.
He has?
He's been checking it for the last 5 minutes.
I'm going to have to run power again to the cameras somehow. It does my fucking head and keep changing batteries. See, I had it all there. It was all routed, running, everything. But then it's, with that rain, it got into everything and that was that.
Yeah.
Short it all fucking out.
Well, hopefully it'll be a long time before we have rain like that again. Well, coming up nice in all that rain, I had the zits open on the back, venting out, and I still didn't get wet.
You didn't get any of that, you sort of said... Bargain.
I didn't realise I had them open until I showed Joe my jacket. And I said, if you turn it round...
Fucking pheasant!
They're stupid, aren't they?
He was after... he was wanting me to fucking heat button. You just got to make it so you can understand. Oh, my fucking heat! Up over the top again.
Beautiful.
I know, the nightmare, isn't it? Well, that's a nasty crack, isn't it? Lovely. If you look dead ahead, gents, it may well be that we're riding into summer.
Mountains?
Well, it looks like it may be a bit of rain up ahead.
Oh.
And we've taken over waterproof though.
We can't moan too much.
Oh, we can. And we do.
This looks like a nice little section.
Doesn't it? Roughly translated into English, that usually means I'm going to spank it.
You fucking shoot straight off the edge. Oh, yes! Oh, gritty as fuck on here. Slow down on that bit, they fucking put these shite here. Look at it all sparkling, look.
Okay.
Look at it. Fucking diamonds in there, isn't there? Look at it glistening away.
Oh yeah. Most expensive road in the country. Yeah, it's just
That's
like,
really glistening, isn't it?
yeah, it's like one of them posh worktops, isn't it?
Yeah, oh yeah. Quartz.
Absolutely stunning road, mate. Really nice.
Yeah, comes right out of a fucking bend and a solid white line.
Well, I didn't break the law when I crossed that white line because he was stationary.
That's right then. Van coming. It is though, isn't it lovely? Just gliding round a corner like that.
Yeah. Just set it up and let it go. Are we eating in again tonight, gentlemen?
Sorry?
Are we eating in again tonight, gentlemen?
As in eating in the clubhouse or eating at home?
Eating at home.
I don't know. Well, we're going to go in the clubhouse, Ron, and we can all swap bodily fluids or whatever you wanted to do.
Did we not do that last night then?
Ron says, I'll give you some iron brew. We can give you some clotted cream.
I'll match your black pudding and raise you by a chipolata.
Yeah. Caution, HGV's turning.
I might have to retire.
Coming into a 40.
Okay. Would you like us to ride by you then, or?
Yeah. Did he let him by?
He did. It's all through.
He did indeed.
Good stuff.
He had two great big ruddy GS's up his arse. He didn't have a chance, did he?
And Ron hasn't got his 67 fucking spotlights on.
He probably stopped because he couldn't see sod all.
Excuse me a minute, gents.
Yes, good on you. Union Jack as well. Oh, we have a summit of 1900 metres coming up.
Hartside.
I don't know what it said, I only read some of
Used
it.
to be a lovely cafe up there, but it caught fire and
Yeah, there was
they
on
never
about...
ever fucking rebuilt it. That is looking wet. Yeah.
Oh well. Oh, crikey,
Oh,
yeah.
fucking hell, yeah. They didn't want me to tell them. They said you're spoiling the surprise.
So do you need a battery change, do you?
No, we're going to get togged up again because of that rain. And I would... Look, you never fucking told me, did you? This could be fun, Ron. When I put my arms in here to put it on, I could fly off down the road. Under sail.
They faff by the roadside, they faff in the rain, fiddling with gadgets, it's all in their lane. Cameras are clicking.
What am I missing? I'm facing the wrong way.
Ah, cheers.
Phones in their pockets, they're nowhere to be found.
Ron was trying to get in me jacket with me. He said, fucking hell, that's big.
Well, you did go the next size up, didn't you?
Good job. It had to go over a 5XL jacket.
Twist and a turn, they're never on their way. From dawn till the dusk, they don't heed the call, for they're lost in the faffing at the faffers ball. They faff in car parks, helmets askew, digging for keys in the depths of the blue jackets, half-zip gloves in there.
All out.
Lost in a moment, no one understands.
Oh, that's never good when you see the speed markers in the road.
Oh, the bike waits,
No.
the road's calling clear.
Oh, that's got gusty all of a sudden.
Yeah, it's going to whistle through there, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, just hope that rain stays on that side of the hill.
The faffers, they faff all night, adjusting